and I'm actually really excited to be here. It's been a little bit of time since I was last in the Caribbean, but I have not explored this region that much, and it's a region that you guys have asked me to do more, and all I've done is Tobago and Jamaica, and now I'm on the beautiful island of Antigua, so Antigua and Barbuda. Technically that's the country, but we're only going to be exploring Antigua. Now I'm here at the perfect time because it is the premier event week, the premier tourism event week of Sailing Week. It's where people from all around the world are, well, they've sailed their sailboats here to race and chase the race and take part in all the festivities that are happening. So I'm going to be showing you some of the cool things that we get up to. We're going to be exploring the island a bit more, and I'm not going to be by myself. There is actually another group of bloggers and vloggers here at the same time. So let's get started. I can also just stay here though. The hammock also seems like a pretty good idea. Alright guys, we are down at English Harbor because it is the premier event time of Sailing Week. It is Chase the Race, where there's going to be a huge sailing boat race, and we are essentially going to be chasing them in a catamaran. So our own catamaran. I am really excited to see what this is going to be like and how efficient we're going to be able to chase these sailboats. But yeah, it is the premier event of Antigua Sailing Week, and I'm excited for it. Hope you guys are too. So let's go board a boat and find some sailboats. Looks like we are getting in position for the start of the race. There's a lot of sailboats here. I was not expecting so many sailboats.
I don't even know who's honestly going out there, but I'm gonna pick someone soon.
I actually have no idea. What
we have no idea, right?
I wish we could find them out and just randomly pick one.
Yeah. I'm gonna probably pick the coolest boat.
It's a cool paint job.
Like your judging criteria?
Yeah, look at it. It's black and red. It's like a modern pirate ship, like catamaran pirate ship. It's so cool. If Jack Sparrow were a hipster, he'd have that.
Yeah.
So there might be at least 5 different classes. So,
and those are like speed classes?
Yes,
or? Okay.
they're all going in terms of how fast the boats are. You know, so.
And then they're on different courses depending on the classes they're in. Oh, okay. So then how many courses in total are there?
There are 2 courses. There's the A course and the B course.
Gotcha.
For the more professional sailors.
So we're in the A course, and the B course is like the more like...
that's for the beer boats and so on. And that boat out there, that's the committee boat.
Okay.
Lots of boats.
Lots of boats. Well guys, I've lost my hat. Note to self, wear a more secured hat when vlogging on boats.
Hold on. Eating and drinking makes me tired.
You know about the money, you know.
going in big time? Oh yeah.
I got this half noodle. Oh wait.
It's 18 feet. And I'm like, well, dude, I just like.
No, all I could do is stand up on the half noodle.
You were just lying down pretending to be sick just a little while ago.
Hold on, he's coming. Oh, yes. Oh yeah, satisfaction.
That was a beautiful thing. It's like a big one.
How you feeling?
Alright, so tonight is going to be super fun because it is Reggae in the Park. It is this huge reggae music festival that's going to be taking place here in Antigua, and we're getting a little bit of a pre-party on. So the party starts at 9, but it's about 7:30 right now. We're going to grab some food because they are doing a huge barbecue pool pre-party, as you can hear and see behind me. And that is kind of the plan for tonight. It's going to be drinking, dancing, reggae music. I'm really excited. It's going to be awesome. So I just arrived at Reggae in the Park, which currently is not in a park. It's in like a cellar. Almost, it kind of feels like a club. I don't know, we just kind of got in. It's feeling kind of clubby right now. I'm hoping to get some better reggae stuff, so we'll see what happens. Right, so I have figured it out. There is an inside area and then there is an outside area. So we are now in the outside area. Well, we're kind of like on the side of the stage, and we're gonna move a bit more closer to the front of the stage because there is a huge crowd. That's what I thought, because like originally I've been to like a big festival in Tobago that was kind of similar. That's what I was expecting. I was a little bit confused when we first started inside, but now we have found the main area, so we are gonna go reggae party it up.
How you feeling? Live at your own time.